Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft People for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 11, create a new contact list. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for School of Business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications. Go to All Apps, scroll to Explore all the applications. Now let's go to Microsoft People. Let's just wait for that to load. And now what we can do is to create a new contact list. Let's go to the section where it says New Contact. Click on the arrow pointing towards the bottom of the screen, the drop-down menu. Now click on New Contact List. Let's type a contact list name. Let's just say CSV. And now we will be required to type an email. I'll just type in the email of the admin. Yep, now let's click on create. This should now create the CSV contact list, which is listed within your contact lists. So we have contacts and now we have the contact lists. We also have the CSV contact list that was created 30 seconds ago. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.